Hey, good afternoon. Happy belated New Year. It's January 16th, so it's been a while since we did any recording. So today I want to cover, this comes up a lot. This is Kash from Kash Data Consulting. We manage, Google Ads, search engine, social media, but this comes up a lot in our practice. Somebody has a Google Ads account. We need to manage them. How do we do that, right? So there's two parts to this. I don't have a PowerPoint, so I'm just going to have to wing it. One part is for the client to give you access, right? They are going to log into their Google Ads account. They are going to give you an access. You're going to have a separate Gmail account. Once they create the access, you're going to get this email, okay? You get the email, you click on it, you accept the invitation, and then that's the second part. You get into their ads account, okay? So I'm going to make this rather quick. So let me just do this way. This is one of our Google Ads account. I'm already logged in. See up here to the right, it says Kash Data Consulting LLC. So we own this account, okay? Imagine if I were to give someone access. How do you do that, right? You're going to go to Tools and Settings. You're going to go under Setup towards the second last column. You're going to go down to Access and Security, okay? And then this particular account, we already have a few users, but you're going to click plus. You're going to give the email. I'm going to use one of our other email addresses, bagalsahib at Gmail. It's preferred if it's Gmail, and it doesn't have to be, okay? Put the email in. Now, the big question becomes, what kind of access do you need? As a client, pay attention. Never, ever, ever give anybody admin access. Big effing problem. Why? Because they can take over your account, okay? So you always want to go standard. If you don't know what's the difference between these 5 levels, I suggest you check it out. It says this is an article from Disruptive. I will put this in the link below, in the information below. And by the way, if you have any questions, put a comment. We will respond. Like the video, follow our channel. But here, if I scroll down, they basically go into this, they go through the process, okay? They tell you, what the levels are and everything. So this is a good one to think about. You can also read about access on the support.google.com. This is another good place, and it tells you. Let me click on this particular link. I will also put this one in the description. But here you go. Okay, you see this right here, different account access levels. So I'm going to select this one, give this one, and then it says you make sure you put the email, you give them access, and then you gotta click on send invitation. Okay, so that, and then it'll tell you, here's the deal, pending invitation. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is when somebody gives you access, what do you do? So we just started working with a local psychiatrist. His name is Wolfgang, Mr. Wolf. I love that. Wolfgang Rosenfeld. He's a local psychiatrist in here. There you go. So he just gave us access to his account. We're going to be managing it. So if I go back to my email, let me go to this one. Notice right here, the first email. Okay, it came out today. It says accept your invitation to access to Google Ads account. If I go into this, right, I'm trying to get rid of this. I don't know how to do this, but okay. Anyway, regardless, it says Wolfgang has invited you to access the following Google Ads account. Blah blah blah. Right. So this is the information right here. And what are you going to do? You're simply going to collect accept invitation. Okay. When it says hello and welcome to Google Ads, this has been granted to that. That's me. That's on one of our accounts, cashmanager99@gmail.com. I'm going to click continue. And like I said, it takes you directly to the campaign that you just got accepted to. Okay, so this is you can tell that the account has changed. So this one, notice up here to the top right, this is 643 as opposed to where I was earlier. Our local account is 339. Okay, so So that's the main thing I wanted to cover here. Now, once you're in this account, now you can look at their campaigns. You can you can like I mentioned, he's a psychiatrist in Dallas, Texas. So we're going to be working with them, and that's how you do it. I mean, it's not terribly complex. And then once again, if I'm not the admin for Wolfgang, but again, if Wolfgang needed to give somebody access, he would go into tool and settings. Again, he would go to access and security. Okay, now remember, this is not my account, this is the other account. Okay, so you can see that this person, they started their account way back in the day when I had a little bit more here, and they just gave me access. So today is January 16, or if you're from Pakistan, you say January 16. So and again, the key there is that this has to be a standard level access. What is standard level access? You're going to want to go into this link. I will put that in there. And like I said, if you have any questions, just put the comments below. Ask the questions, we will answer that. I think that's all I really wanted to cover. I know, a quick video, not a whole lot to this. I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day. Make some cash in 2023.